Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another tutorial video where I will simply be showing you how you can go ahead and redeem or use your Genshin Impact gift card. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we'll simply start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, simply go to your mobile's browser. As you can see here in my browser, I have typed in shin.mihoyo.com. You can simply go ahead, type in that, then you will be able to land on this kind of interface. Actually, this will appear once you're done logged in. So for me, as you can see, I am already logged in and I have this kind of interface right there. So once you're done logged in, then you will simply go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line given on top right corner, tap on it, and then you will be able to see this kind of interface, right? This kind of a menu. This is for mobile's purpose. Tap on this redeem code option given below, and here you will simply go ahead and choose a server, your character's nickname, and redemption code, and tap on this redeem. You're good to go. But the things that you can carefully go ahead and check this about code redemption is that before redeeming a code, log in to your account and make sure you have created a character in the game. So this is also compulsory since you're coming to redeem your code. That means you already have a character, but in case you were thinking that you don't need it, apparently you do. So once you try to redeem a code, come here, and if it's not working, simply go ahead and check that this rules out. If it's any of the problem, go ahead, go to your account, get logged in, solve it, and come over here and redeem your codes. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.